Hi, welcome back. For this tapping meditation, we're focusing on calming our bodies and our minds and regaining just a sense of peace. This meditation is designed specifically for those that have been through like an acute trauma. For example, if you're in a car wreck or had a medical emergency, the brain can't keep up with what's happening necessarily. So the memories often store erratically and they'll store in our body. So you might find yourself with little to no trigger at all, feeling panicky. I was in a car accident several years back, and every time I got in the car, I felt panicky to the point of tears and difficulty driving. Um, Medically, it might be something you see on TV, a certain smell, something you hear, or if it's close to the event, it may pop up for no reason. All of a sudden, you may feel a sense of panic, tightness in the chest or throat. This tapping meditation will work to calm the amygdala, which is the fear center of the brain, and bring you back to a state of peace and of calm in your body. At any time while you're doing this meditation, if it feels like too much, you can stop, pause the video, return to it later, or don't return to it at all, whatever feels right to you. I will say some statements as we tap. You can repeat them out loud or just repeat them in your head, or you can just tap along and listen. So we'll go ahead and get started. So first of all, we're going to acknowledge the negative and acknowledge the way we feel. And I call it the negative, but basically it's just the way that we feel. There's a reason we feel this way. I think I call it negative because it's not what we want to experience. We can still acknowledge it as part of the full range of our emotion. So tapping gently on the side of the hand. Just get settled. Feel the piece of furniture, whatever you're on, feel that under you. Get both feet on the ground here. And just start tapping on the side of the hand here. Even though my body and mind feel unsettled, I choose to honor these feelings and accept myself in this moment. Even though I feel overwhelmed and anxious, I acknowledge these feelings and choose to relax my body now. Even though my body is remembering a fearful time, I acknowledge this fear inside and choose to recognize that I am safe in this moment. Good. Okay, let's move to the eyebrow point and tapping gently. All of this fear, move to the side of the eye. All of this tension in my body and under the eye. All of this tightness in my chest and under the nose. I don't like the way this feels. At the chin, but maybe it's safe to relax just a little now. And we're going to move to the collarbone. Maybe I can breathe just a little deeper now. Now, as you gently tap on the collarbone, I want you to take some breaths, and you're going to breathe in your nose and out your mouth. And I want it to just be what's comfortable. Try to extend the inhalation and try to extend the exhalation just a little bit longer, but it needs to be comfortable for you. So breathe just as deeply as you can for just a couple breaths here. And out. Good. Gently keep tapping in and out. Very good. Okay, we're going to move under the arm here. I've been through so much recently. On the top of the head. And I choose to accept my body and all of the feelings that it is having now. Okay, we're going to move back to the eyebrow and tapping gently. I acknowledge my body for bringing me safely to this moment. Inside of the eye, I choose to notice my breath. And under the eye, feeling the support of the ground beneath me. And under the nose, noticing that in this moment, I am safe. And at the chin, feeling safe to allow calm to settle over me now. And at the collarbone, choosing to relax my muscles, even if it's just a little bit. Take a breath here. Try to drop the shoulders, drop the jaw a little bit, relax the jaw. Good. Just a little breath. And out. Under the arm, allowing a feeling of calm to settle in. And at the top of the head, beginning to feel safe now. And at the eyebrow, thanking my body for trying to protect me. Inside of the eye, letting it know that we are safe in this moment. And under the eye, letting my body know it is safe to exhale, it is safe to relax. And under the nose, choosing to allow calm to flow in. And at the chin, anchoring into safety and peace now. And at the collarbone, choosing to breathe just a little bit deeper. And take just a couple breaths again and see if you're able to move just a little bit more air than you could prior to this. And exhale. Good job. Inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. And under the arm. Noticing any remaining anxiety moving out of my body now. And top of the head. Feeling safe, calm, and supported. Okay, great. You can gently stop tapping. Just rest your hands on your legs here. If you have some water nearby, it's good to get a drink of water after tapping. Thanks so much for tapping with me. In this about 10 minutes, you've helped your body calm down. You've let the fear center in your brain know that you're safe now. So thanks so much, and visit this video again anytime you need to.